get regular videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art soap factory, where we specialize in producing high-quality moisturizing soap bars.
Our journey begins at the source. Vast palm oil plantations, where ripe
Skilled workers carefully harvest the ripe palm fruit bunches using specialized tools, ensuring only mature fruits are selected for optimal oil quality.
Get the cart closer.
Almost got it loaded. We need more space.
The collected fruit is transported efficiently to on-site processing facilities, where the journey towards oil extraction begins. Upon arrival at the mill, the palm fruit is unloaded onto conveyors, ready for the initial stages of oil extraction.
The fruit bunches undergo steam sterilization to loosen the fruits and eliminate contaminants, ensuring purity. In the thresher, fruits are mechanically separated from bunches, preparing them for pressing. The fruits are digested under heat and agitation to soften the pulp and release the oil. Hydraulic presses extract the crude palm oil from the digested pulp, yielding the raw ingredient for soap.
The crude oil is clarified through centrifugation, removing solids and water for a purer product.
Purified palm oil is stored in dedicated silos, ready for transport to the soap factory.
The oil is loaded into specialized tankers for secure transport to the manufacturing facility.
Tankers transport the palm oil efficiently to the soap factory, ensuring timely delivery.
Upon arrival, the palm oil is unloaded into factory storage tanks, beginning the soap production chain.
Each batch of palm oil undergoes rigorous quality checks to verify purity and composition before use. Next, we source coconut oil from dedicated plantations, where mature coconuts are harvested.
Experienced harvesters climb to retrieve ripe coconut clusters, ensuring gentle handling.
The outer husks are removed to access the inner nut for oil extraction. Shells are cracked to extract the coconut meat and water, key for oil production. The fresh coconut meat is carefully extracted, ready for drying and pressing. The copra is dried to reduce moisture, enhancing oil yield and quality. Mechanical presses extract virgin coconut oil from the dried copra. The oil is filtered to remove any remaining solids, achieving high purity. Purified coconut oil is stored securely, awaiting shipment to the soap factory.
The coconut oil is loaded for transport to integrate into soap production.
Efficient transport delivers the coconut oil to the manufacturing site.
At the factory, coconut oil is unloaded and prepared for use in blending. Lye, essential for saponification, is sourced from specialized chemical plants.
The lye is carefully packaged for safe transport to the soap factory.
Lye is transported under strict safety guidelines to the production site.
Lye arrives and is unloaded into designated storage areas. Lye undergoes concentration and purity tests before approval.
Pure water, vital for soap, is sourced and treated to high standards.
Purified water is stored, ready for mixing in production.
Fragrances are sourced from natural extracts for soap scenting.
Essential oils are distilled to capture pure fragrances.
Fragrances are packaged securely for delivery.
Fragrance components are transported to enhance the soap's appeal.
All essential raw materials, oils, lye, fragrances, and additives arrive at the factory warehouse.
Purity levels are optimal, well within the threshold. Yeah.
Confirmed. We can release this lot to manufacturing.
Once approved, the raw materials are automatically transported deep into the heart of the factory to begin the transformation into soap.
In the first critical step, precisely measured palm and coconut oils are dosed into the giant mixing tank to form the base fat blend. Purified water is carefully added to the oil blend, preparing the mixture for the saponification reaction. Lye is safely dissolved in chilled, purified water under tightly controlled conditions to create the caustic solution needed for saponification.
The lye solution is precisely pumped into the oils, initiating the chemical saponification reaction that will transform the blend into soap.
Under constant agitation and precise temperature control, saponification proceeds until the mixture reaches the perfect trace consistency.
At the critical moment, signature fragrance and nourishing additives are precisely incorporated to deliver the characteristic scent and moisturizing properties.
The final mixing stage ensures a completely homogeneous soap paste, perfectly blended and ready for the next transformation.
The finished soap paste is gently transferred to a temperature-controlled holding hopper, maintaining perfect consistency for molding.
The soap paste is automatically dispensed into large slab molds, beginning the solidification process with perfect portion control.
Precision leveling ensures uniform thickness and a flawless top surface before cooling begins.
The molds enter a precisely controlled cooling tunnel where the soap solidifies evenly over several hours.
Inside the cooling tunnel, the soap gradually solidifies into firm, stable slabs ready for cutting. Advanced robotics carefully demold the solidified soap slabs, preserving perfect shape and integrity.
Each slab undergoes immediate automated visual inspection to detect any surface imperfections before cutting. High-precision multi-wire cutters divide the large slabs into uniform long bars with razor-sharp accuracy. The freshly cut long bars are smoothly conveyed to the stamping and final sizing stage.
Automated guillotine cutters precisely divide the long bars into standard individual soap bar sizes. Specialized rollers and brushes smooth the bar surfaces and gently round the edges for a premium feel. High-precision stamping presses form each bar into the iconic smooth oval shape with consistent quality. A final controlled cooling step hardens the surface of the stamped bars, preparing them for packaging.
Advanced machine vision systems inspect every bar for perfect shape, surface quality, and imprint clarity.
Each bar is precisely weighed to ensure it meets exact weight specifications for consistent quality.
Every bar passes through sensitive metal detectors to guarantee product safety and purity.
An intelligent accumulation system holds and organizes the bars, ensuring uninterrupted flow to high-speed packaging lines. Each bar receives a protective transparent film wrap through high-speed flow wrapping technology.
The wrapped bars are elegantly encased in protective outer cartons, completing the primary packaging.
Traceability is ensured as each carton receives clear batch codes, dates, and production information. Multiple packaged units are efficiently collated and packed into protective shipping cases.
Cases are securely sealed and accurately labeled for safe transport and inventory management.
Finished cases are automatically palletized into secure, transport-ready unit loads. Each pallet is tightly stretch-wrapped to ensure stability during storage and shipping. Pallets receive final identification labels and are scanned into the inventory system for complete traceability. Completed products are carefully transferred to the climate-controlled finished goods warehouse for storage. In the state-of-the-art warehouse, finished products are systematically stored under perfect conditions, ready for distribution worldwide.
When customer orders arrive, the intelligent warehouse system instantly processes them and directs automated vehicles to retrieve the exact pallets required.
High-speed automated cranes retrieve selected pallets from towering racks with pinpoint accuracy and efficiency. Pallets are automatically conveyed to the depalletizing area, where cases will be prepared for final shipment. Advanced vision-guided robots depalletize cases layer by layer with gentle precision to prevent damage.
Cases are automatically singulated, scanned, and routed to the appropriate shipping lanes based on destination.
Before leaving the facility, every shipping case undergoes final automated inspection to guarantee perfect condition.
Cases are automatically loaded into trucks and containers in optimized patterns for safe and efficient transport. Once loaded, trailers are securely sealed, documented, and cleared for dispatch to global distribution networks.
The finished product begins its journey from the factory gates to stores and homes around the world.
Ongoing laboratory testing ensures every bar delivers the promised moisturizing performance and luxurious lather.
Expert sensory panels continuously validate the luxurious fragrance and skin feel that define the product experience.
Long-term stability chambers verify that the product maintains quality throughout its entire shelf life under diverse conditions.
Rigorous microbiological testing confirms the product remains safe and free from contamination throughout its life cycle.
Continuous environmental monitoring ensures minimal impact while maintaining the highest production standards.
Production waste is captured, recycled, and reintegrated, minimizing material loss and environmental footprint.
State-of-the-art energy-efficient equipment and heat recovery systems significantly reduce the factory's carbon footprint.
Comprehensive ongoing safety training ensures every team member maintain the highest safety standards.
The efficiency metrics for the last quarter
Show a slight dip in the production line.
yes, but if we implement the new quality control
Dedicated research teams continuously innovate to enhance product performance while advancing sustainability.
Can you confirm the traceability for this shipment?
Yes, the RSPO certification aligns with the software. We can verify compliance.
I can't believe how fresh everything is today.
I know, right? It makes coming to work so much better.
An advanced global distribution network ensures products reach consumers efficiently across every continent.
Careful attention to retail presentation ensures the product stands out and appeals to consumers worldwide.
From factory to home, the product delivers its promise of gentle cleansing and lasting moisturization to millions daily.
The cycle continues with commitment to sustainable sourcing that protects ecosystems and communities.
Beyond production, the company invests in thriving communities throughout the supply chain. From farm to finished product, every step is precisely orchestrated in this modern marvel of industrial efficiency.
Each day begins anew with the same dedication to excellence and innovation.
All units, maintain synchronization. We have a red alert in the packing department. I'm dispatching maintenance now.
Specialized robots perform precision maintenance tasks, maximizing equipment reliability and uptime.
Big data analytics continuously refine every aspect of production for peak performance.
Regular recognition of outstanding contributions builds pride and commitment throughout the workforce.
Independent verification confirms our near-zero waste achievement through comprehensive recycling and recovery. Renewable energy integration and offset programs achieve carbon-neutral production.
Rigorous cross-factory testing ensures every bar, regardless of production location, delivers identical premium quality.
This state-of-the-art facility represents the perfect balance of advanced technology, sustainability, quality, and human care.